morning, my little kittens. Today we are going to do a DIY travel bag. But first, I need to tell you some things. First thing first, we made like not a TV show, but a YouTube show here. It's named Human versus Phone, and I need to tell you that it's a very interesting and also funny show if you want to watch it, because we are gonna react to the cringiest TikToks that you could ever imagine on this earth, like literally on this earth. So Human versus Phone will be here for you every Wednesday. I don't know at which hour because we are not like on the schedule yet, but we will see. But it will be here on every Wednesday because it's a little bit complicated to do. I mean, a little bit more complicated than a makeup tutorial, for example, because it's a lot of edit and it takes a little bit more time to do. So it will be here like one time of the week, every week. And also for that makeup schedule, we will make everyday videos with makeup. So keep on watching because we will post every day. So now enough with the info, let's get to the interesting part, the DIY! So story time. One time I went to a party and for that party I made like a little travel bag in which I had all my clothes, all my makeups, lingerie and things like this, all the towels that I needed, and on that row my makeup was destroyed. And I will insert here a little simulation of what happened with all of my things. So in that simulation you haven't seen all that happened with my makeup and my clothes. My clothes were full of makeup and my makeup was literally destroyed. Look at the holes in this, like destroyed, literally destroyed. But I still use this palette because I like it so much and I just can't break up with it. And also all my powder went on all my clothes and it was a mess. It was literally a mess, and I had 1 hour to get ready and my clothes were so dirty, but I had so much good luck because I had my BFF with me and I asked her to just give me a pair of jeans and a t-shirt because I couldn't go like that. And yeah, I did that and finally everything got okay there. And you know why these things happen? Because when I was younger, I was so little organized and it was a mess. Everything, it was a mess. Like in my wardrobe, everything was a mess, like a literally mess. And as I aged, things got a little bit more organized in my mind and also in my life. So yeah, and I also learned something. Little things are so important, like this €2 bag that saved my vacations and literally my life basically, because it's so like it's so nice and it's so like you have so much space in there, like it's everything. And this is also a must-have, and I also learned this so late, but at least I learned it at some point. So now we're gonna start and we are gonna organize my makeup that I will take with me because yes, again, I'm going to the mountains and I don't want to take like literally all my makeup. I will only take the essentials because I will only make like one makeup or two and I don't need all of these. So first I'm gonna search for a face cream and I found one. I will put this one first because I need a face cream. I can't live without a face cream. So after that I will take a foundation and I will take this one because with this one I don't need a concealer, so this is one of my favorites and I will put this one here. It's in shade Ivory, but you already know that. Now I will put this brow soap and this brush with it because I need soap brows. I can't live without soap brows, so Okay, now I forgot one thing. I will also put this foundation brush here. Important fact, it is clean and disinfected. So it goes there. Now I will put this powder, which also broke when I got to that party, but I will buy another one, but first I wanna just use this one. I don't wanna waste products. After that I will put this highlighter, which I really love, by the way, from Makeup Revolution, is one of my favorites, and I will put this brush here and also this brush for powder. Now I will put this bronzer here because I want a bronzed face, and who doesn't want that? And I will look for my brush. I will use this brush for my bronzer here. Yeah, after that, for the palette, I will put this one, which is a new one. I haven't used it till now, but one time I slipped my finger when I was looking at it, like without any intention, but I will put this one because it has all the neutral colors that I want and that I basically use more often. So this one goes in the bag. Now I will try to find a lip combo which I use more frequently, and it will be this one from Boys and Berries in Praline, and the lipstick with the name Praline. I mean, it's the same brand and it's the same name, but I don't know, I'm a little bit, I don't know, I haven't slept pretty well yesterday. Oh, I almost forgot about this, my Delete face mask, because I always keep this with me because I need to take my makeup off at night and oil my eyelashes. Now I forgot to put these brushes. This will be for blending and for applying like my eyeshadow, and this is also for blending, and this one will be for eyebrows. Get in there. I will put a mascara with me. Oh, I almost forgot about this. I will put this eyelash curler with me, and I'm still thinking if I should put my falsies with me or shouldn't I do this. So I'm obsessed with falsies, and should I put them or shouldn't I? I don't know. Just tell me because I will listen to you. Oh yes, should I put them? Okay, the first like 3 pairs that I love. These are another pairs here, and I will also put these ones because why not? I need some eyelashes with me, girl. Like you really understand me right now. Maybe I will use them, or maybe I will put them on a potato. Oh, or maybe I will just repair something with my eyelashes. I also forgot about this. How could I forget about this? Just go in there already. I will also put this lipstick because this color just makes me crazy. It's from Makeup Revolution in the color Syrup, and it's one of my favorite lipstick forever. Like, this will be one of my favorites even when I will be like 60, honestly. Just go in there already. And believe me, I'm already thinking if I will be able to do my makeup when I will be 60 or 70, but I don't know, it makes me a little bit sad when I think about this, but I will definitely do this. I can't give up on makeup. I love makeup. I can't do this. Like, it's my life here, right here. I will definitely do that makeup, even if my face will be saggy. So that's it, guys. you already know what will gonna happen with your makeup if you don't have one of these bags. This is a must-have. Go and buy one of these. Like, it's wonderful. It's a lifesaver. It's life-changing. I'm talking about like a new product of makeup, but this is. And if you are wondering about my makeup and how I made it and why does it look like this, you will see it in my short, because I made a short about this. Now guys, tell me in the comments if you ever been through a situation similar like mine, like with that makeup that just broke, and I will respond to you all, because I wanna like make a real life experience out of this thing. So we'll try to do this hack because it's a masterpiece. So we'll need a tissue. We take some color from here. Oh my god, this actually looks so nice. And now a bit of yellow. Bang. So I'm super happy with these results. Like, look at this, it's so cute and it's so nice. 10 out of 10 for this hack, and you should try this at home, girls, because it's worth it. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we have the perfect makeup bag. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to the party!